I have master data of our customer which is downloaded from ERP system, IBAN account number, and we have other source of data for same customers which is generated from the document provided by the customers. Now my task is to compare the IBAN and the account number. Because data is very sensitive, I cannot believe on the manual work. I want to use my technology in Excel. So I have two methods to compare that I will show you in this example. So let us begin. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like the video and do comment. Let's begin. The first method is equal sign. I'm gonna use my method by starting equal. Then I'm going to give the reference of one cell, then equal sign, and here I'm gonna give the reference of second cell. I'm going to press Ctrl Enter. Data is false. It means both values are not same. Now I'm going to select my second method. Here I will use Excel's exit inbuilt function. Equal sign EXACT. Press tab. We need to provide two argument text 1. So I'm gonna give the reference of 1. Then the second reference of this cell. Then pressing Ctrl Enter. I'm going to copy. I'm going to select by pressing Shift and right arrow key and double click on the sign. The formula will be applied on all rows. Now we can see here both are false. It means data is not matching. We can do the rectification. Here all are true. It means there is no problem. But here we have problem. What is the problem? Let's identify. If I press F2 over here, we can see the link. So the first one is blue and the red. We can compare one by one all the values. So here is the problem. Characters are matching, but here characters are in lowercase. So what we understood, if we use the first method where we used equal sign, here we cannot compare. Here the lower and the uppercase in case of the text will be ignored. But in the second method it is not ignored and we got the false method. You must be aware IBN must be in the caps only. So we need to rectify. Let's see whether it will change or not. So I'm gonna select delete caps A, B and A, Control plus Enter. Yes, both values are true now and here both values are false. So there is a problem. We can compare manually by our physical documents. So this is the method where we can compare two values, especially in case of the text, using these two methods. Hope you like this method. Like the hit button, subscribe my channel and do comment. Thank you for watching. Please come back again.